issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, South Mobile Bay, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm producing waterspouts was located near Fort Gaines, or near Sand Island Lighthouse, moving northwest at 15 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: law enforcement. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Sand Island Lighthouse, Dauphin Island Bridge, Fort Gaines, Fort Morgan, Farewell Buoy, Heron Bay, Alabama Port, Portersville Bay, and Central Dauphin Island. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, and coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles. This is NOAA Weather Radio.